Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia, aka Slay by Leash. This morning we will be making lavender body scrub. Okay, in my lavender body scrubs, I use grapeseed oil, which is great for the skin. I use avocado oil, which is great for the skin. I use lavender essential oil, which is great for the skin. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Here we have a cup of granulated white sugar and just a mixing utensil. Next this is avocado oil. Grapeseed oil. I usually add a little bit by a little bit because I don't measure out and I tend to, add too much. See, like that consistency, I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and add our lavender mica color. When you think of lavender, you think of like a light purple. So I'm actually gonna add just a tad more. Okay, so I have my soft lavender color that I wanted. Now we're gonna go ahead and add 5 drops of the lavender essential oil. Mix that in. Okay, so it definitely smells like lavender. It definitely smells heavenly and so good. Okay, now for the final step, we are going to put it in our airtight container. As always, thanks for watching.